This quick tutorial will show you exactly how to find your Salesforce Org IP address. Whether you're a Salesforce admin or just starting out, knowing how to locate your organization's IP address can be incredibly useful for security audits, troubleshooting, or simply managing your Salesforce environment more effectively. Let's dive right in. First, you'll want to begin by logging into your Salesforce account. Once you're in, look towards the top right corner of your screen. There, you'll see a gear icon. This gear icon is your gateway to all the setup options within Salesforce. Go ahead and click on it. Once you do, a drop-down menu will appear. From this menu, you need to select Setup. This is where all the magic happens, as it contains all the configuration options for your Salesforce environment. Now that you're in the setup area, you might notice that there's a lot to explore. But don't worry, we're going to focus on just one thing for now. On the left side of your screen, you'll see a quick find search box. This is an incredibly handy tool for navigating Salesforce, especially when there are so many options and configurations to sift through. In this quick find box, go ahead and type Login History. As you type, you should see the list narrow down to show Login History as one of the options. Click on it to proceed. Once you've clicked on Login History, you'll be brought to a page that displays a table. This table contains vital information about recent user sessions within your Salesforce.org. What you're specifically looking for here is the source IP column. This column is essential as it tracks the IP addresses from which users have accessed Salesforce. It will display both IPv4 and IPv6 addresses, depending on what your users are working with. Reviewing this column will give you a clear picture of the active IP tracking metrics for your organization. It's worth noting that these IP addresses are essential for understanding where your users are logging in from, which can help you identify any unusual activity that might require further investigation. By monitoring these addresses regularly, you can enhance your organization's security posture by ensuring that all login attempts are legitimate and expected. And there you have it. You now know how to find the IP addresses associated with your Salesforce organization. This process is straightforward but incredibly powerful, giving you deeper insights into user access patterns and potential security issues. Remember, regularly checking your login history and source IPs is a good practice for maintaining a secure and efficient Salesforce environment. Thank you for watching this quick tutorial. If you found it helpful, feel free to leave a comment or give us a thumbs up. For more Salesforce tips and guides, consider subscribing to our channel. Until next time, happy Salesforce managing.